Guys, it's a new tutorial about the TikTok application, and right now I will show you how to manage and personalize ads on TikTok. So let's go to the TikTok application, guys, and let's open the profile page. Right now we need to go to the settings after clicking on this three lines icon at the corner of the screen and clicking on the settings option. And now we need to find the ads section and click on it also. And guys, I need to say you that these settings are not so popular, but they are so useful. The first setting you can check, this is the Personalize Ads. So guys, you can disable this option if you don't like the TikTok control your content you like, and if you don't want the TikTok personalize advertisement to your interests. If you don't want the app to control your likes, your views, etc., you can disable this option. But if you like this personality option, if you want to get some ads you will probably like and which will be useful, you can activate it after tapping on the switch. So guys, the first option you can check at the top of the screen. This is advertiser settings. So let's click on it, guys, and here we have the whole list of brands you can which ads you can get on your For You page or got before. For example, here we have some popular brands as Allegra, Loop, etc. And if you don't want to get ads from, for example, from Allegra, you can disable this brand after tapping on the toggle up side. In this way you can block and control some ads will appear on your feed. It's very useful, for example, if you have kids and if you don't like some brand and want to block it for your child. So guys, this is the first option, and the second one is how your ads are personalized. Let's click on this, and guys, here is also very interesting settings because we can manage which ads you will get, on which topics ads you will get on your For You page. For example, you can turn on the feature to get ads about games. So if you are not annoyed of these games ads on the TikTok, you can turn on this feature on the settings and be sure that you will get this type of ads. But for example, you don't have pets and you really don't need to get this advertisement, you can click on the arrow opposite the pets option and disable ads. So let's tap on the cross and be sure that from now on you don't have you won't have any ads about the pets. And also, as you can check here, we have the removed interests section. Here we have the disabled option like pets, apps and education. So on this topic I won't get any advertisement, any ads on TikTok. Also guys, you can click on each of the period types of ads and manage them by yourself manually. And guys, after you have this third option like your ad activity, and right now guys, here we can share some feedback. Unfortunately, on my version of application I cannot share any feedback on it, but be sure that on other version of application you will have this option on your app. So guys, in this way you can manage your ads, and this is definitely a very useful option because sometimes these TikTok ads are so annoying, are so bad, I can say about it. But in this way it's very useful and easy to customize these ads. For example, block some brands, block some topic of the ads you don't like. And I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful and interesting first and foremost. And if it was, guys, don't forget to like it below. Don't forget to check our other guides about the TikTok to find some secrets, tips and tricks of the TikTok application. And yes, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!